Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 3 fix So Quiet. So basically what you need to do is go to SteelSeries Sonar and right here make sure to select Arctis Nova 3 and basically select in all these tabs, and after that make sure to select and type 100% right here. After that, make sure these are at 100%, and for the chat mix, make sure it is at the center. After that, we can move to our engine, and if you go to Nova 3, make sure the audio is flat right here and set to flat. After that, if we go to our window settings right here and type change system sounds, we will go right here and go to the playback, and in the playback right here you'll have the SteelSeries gaming media and chat. So right click it, click properties, go to the levels and make sure this is at 100%. For the advanced, make sure this is the studio quality. Take all of these, click apply and do for 3 of these. After that, what you'll need to do is go to the sounds right here, open volume mixer and make sure it is 100% for all apps that you're using, and that will fix your issue. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.